Is the car off,
What are you going to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle due to you
not
not wanting to cooperate with us and provide us the information that we are asking for you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Do not touch me, Alani, please.
Hold on, I got this one here.
I do not agree to this.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I had just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Do not touch me.
Let's go.
What is wrong with y'all? Yo, what are you doing? No. Do not touch my daughter.
On August 14th, 2025, in Florida, a traffic stop over a missing license plate escalated into a 24-minute standoff that ended with a misdemeanor arrest, a towed vehicle, and constitutional questions worth examining.
Echo 44 headquarters. Can you show me out with Echo 46, please?
A license plate on the back of the Tesla.
This is a brand new car I just purchased. I have a temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back.
Where?
Where the tag goes. No, where the tag goes, like
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. You have any weapons in the car? If that's the insurance, we're gonna need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I just stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking you, okay? And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there. Do you not have a license?
Do I not have a license?
Do you not have a license? Where is it?
I don't need to give you my license.
You don't?
I do not.
Sweet. Alright, so she's refusing to give any sort of information.
Is she gonna give you her name? Let's give her her name.
Alright. What's your name?
She has to identify herself sometime.
What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name. But I want to make sure for the record.
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purpose.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it? Last name. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
Alright, so she's just giving the first name. She's just giving the first name. She's doing
Now,
the
you have to be
whole
able to
situation.
identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and as I just mentioned to her.
Sorry?
Huh?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have no tag on your vehicle. That's why you're being stopped.
Correct.
Okay. So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You have no. You're not understanding. You have no tag. That is a crime. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. How are you going to identify yourself? You have to have some type of way to identify yourself.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done that earlier.
All of my stuff. And I don't
I'm actually listening to the radio,
You have a
so...
form of ID for us to identify you.
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk?
Come on, where did you put that cover? Listen, I'm in the middle of moving, so my is everywhere, and it's...
Okay, so where's your ID?
I just told you it's in my trunk, I believe.
What in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a packet, because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport, etc.
So it's in a bag in the trunk?
Correct.
What color is the bag?
It's not in a bag, it's in a pouch.
Okay, so what color is the pouch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID. Okay. So can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in
okay, so can you give us your name?
I just gave it to her.
First name, last name, date of birth.
We're gonna need more information than what you were telling us, okay? Candace, we can't just go based off of Candace. So either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
So your first name is Candace. What's your last name?
I just gave it to her.
What is your last name? How do you spell?
I'm not giving you any more information. I do not have to.
Alright, this is going to be your last opportunity.
I don't even
Just work with us.
You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are being extremely aggressive.
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do it.
Do what?
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and afuera.
You're gonna what?
Okay. Alright. Is the car off?
No, excuse me, what are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you
ma'am?
about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going to
you
do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information that
agreeing
we're asking for you
on
to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Do not touch me, Alani, please.
Hold on, I got this one here.
I do not agree to this.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about?
No, you
yes,
didn't.
I did. Do not touch me.
Let's go.
What is wrong with y'all? Yo, what are you doing? No. Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not cooperating. Alright.
What?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
I need all of y'all badge, your names, your badge numbers, etc.
Just go ahead and you can lean up
Do not
against the
touch
car.
me. Can you let go of me?
No, so then lean against the car.
I'll lean against the car, but let go of me.
Stay right there.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of these damn
sounds
handcuffs.
good. We already tried talking to you. We're done talking.
Where's your supervisor? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual, doing her duties and her job,
cooperate with you, and you don't even want to cooperate with me.
Please call your supervisor. I need them now. Right now.
He's calling.
You've been uncooperative so far, ma'am, so you're going to remain in cuffs until we're comfortable that you're cooperative, okay?
Alani, call Chris, please. Continue recording it, please. Am I being arrested?
You said you're being detained until we got.
Am I being arrested? I need these off of me right now.
We're gonna wait for our supervisor, like you requested, right?
I didn't request to be yanked out of my vehicle.
Okay. Due to you not cooperating with us, that's what happens. So now we're gonna do what you want, and you call for our supervisor. He's gonna be on the way. You can talk to him further.
Can you please move the hair out of my eyes, please?
Sorry?
Can you please get the hair? I need her to get the hair out of my eyes, please. I have hair in my. I do not want her to touch me again.
It's fine. She'll be fine.
Hold on, come here, please. Get out of my mouth.
So the driver's over here. She's the passenger in the rear, so just making sure she's okay.
Okay. What do we got going on?
Driver also.
Okay. How can I help
Sir,
you?
if there's no crime, which there is not, I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle, without my consent. open my door unlawfully, and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
When I'm not driving. I'm not doing any commercial activity right now. That's my daughter. She's going to school.
You said you weren't driving?
Yes. Traveling. And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them. I'm not going to accept anything less than. And everyone here is going to be sued for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant, and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just stay here. I'll talk to the other officers, see what you guys got going on. Okay.
Fight almost and it also got that. I was pretty top over. Her integrity.
Is it a sovereign citizen type situation?
That's what it seems like.
Because she was talking about I'm not driving, I'm traveling. Does she not have a license plate on the car? Okay. And she doesn't have a driver's license to provide you?
She wouldn't. She gave us Candace, and then she wouldn't give Carrie her last name. I said, well, ma'am, we need some type of way to identify you. And then she was like, well, my last name. It's like, well, how do you spell that to make sure we're getting it right? I'm not telling you all that. I'm not telling you nothing else. So then we took her out the vehicle because there were so many times that he was like,
she wasn't
like, where's your, I said, you have any form of ID, like anywhere. It's in my trunk. Okay, where in the trunk? In a bag. Okay, what type of bag? Well, it's in a pouch. Okay, what color is the pouch? Purple. I say, okay, well, I'll grab your ID out of your pouch. You're not grabbing nothing out of my vehicle. I'll grab it. I say, well, unfortunately, I'm not letting you get out the car to go in the trunk. And then she's like, well, I'm not identifying myself. And then it's a little card that's in her, what the VIN number is at on her vehicle. It's a little card that says, I am not authorizing.
So they're blocking that so you can't get the VIN number off of it?
Yeah.
Is it not?
I did reach my hand in and move it to get the VIN number.
Is it on the inside?
Yeah, it's in the inside, yeah.
Oh, she's blocking it on here too?
No, it's not blocked on there.
Okay.
It was only blocked in.
Okay, all right. But you're able to get the VIN number off.
I was able to get the VIN number.
Is it?
But I'm still not able. I still need to have
Does it come back to anything when you run the VIN?
This is the VIN. So it's coming back to the car. It's come back to the Tesla, which is the blue.
But it's not her.
But it's not
somebody
her.
else. Okay. And then we still haven't identified her at all.
We still have not identified her.
Okay. So where do you guys want to go with this at this point?
Well, at this point, it's going to be booked up under John Doe as resisting.
Okay. Because she still hasn't provided you her identification of who she is, and she's driving the vehicle that's not registered.
Yes.
Or is it? Is that a valid registration?
Registered.
Is it valid?
No, it's registered.
Okay.
It's a registered car.
So it's got active.
Yeah, it has an active registration. It's just she's driving it with no tag on it.
Okay.
She kept saying, "Well, what is your reason for stopping it?"
Okay.
I just told you.
So just make sure you write her the ticket for.
It'll be Perry's.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I thought this was.
I seem like I'm.
Oh, I thought you was in charge of this. Okay.
Your daughter's not detained right now, only you, ma'am, right? So she's free to go, but I just want to make sure she gets over there safely.
Could I get my stuff?
From the car? Yeah, just 1 second. Okay. So you have like school books or something like that, a bag or whatever? Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and get that for you, okay? So
what makes you guys think that you can touch my personal property? Like, who are you?
Where is it?
right now,
I
ma'am.
have not done anything other than drive her to school. You guys have literally yanked me out of my vehicle at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I'm
No,
trying
do
to
you
help
understand
you.
how aggressive this woman is in front of me?
Trying to help
And
you.
you're still trying to make me speak with her.
Vinny.
I'm trying.
So we're gonna just open the door and her daughter's gonna grab this.
We don't know what's in there, right? I don't have no reason to believe that your daughter wants to hurt me or anything like that, right? I just don't know what's in there. So
You guys removed us from the car.
I need to make sure that whatever she gets is not going to hurt us. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay. So if you're okay to come over here, okay. Your stuff. Can we open this door over here? Is that okay? Okay. I just don't want you sitting over there with cars. Okay. All right. This is your school back here. That stay in here, right? I'm just going to close this for you so it doesn't get all over the car. Okay, this way it doesn't roll over the car. Okay.
Can I grab my mom's phone?
Your mom's phone. Is it okay if she gets your phone? Yep. Do you know where it is? Yeah, okay. Just show it to your mom, make sure that's your phone.
Don't not touch me.
Put this phone back in the car, please.
Can you give it to your mom? Are you going to take it with you?
No, she's giving it to me. Why can't she give it to me?
No.
She said she
Are you
Put the
kidding
phone
me?
back in the car.
Why can I not have my phone?
Because you're detained right now.
For what crime?
The officer explained that to you.
No, there's no crime taking place here.
Take this with you, or are you leaving?
Leave it in the car, Lenny. Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time.
You can talk to your daughter, but can't let you walk away.
I'm not asking to walk away. I'm asking her to come here and y'all step away from me, please.
I'm not.
She's right here.
away from you.
She's right here, ma'am. You can talk to her.
Oh, honey, call first, please.
If we're gonna do telephone communication between the two, we're not gonna allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then, okay.
Do not touch me. Let me. Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
Ma'am,
In the car.
Doing anything.
I'm gonna have to put her in the car.
Sir, please get her off of me.
Because she's trying to do.
Sir, please get her.
Her daughter.
I'm trying to ask my daughter a question. Sir, please get them off of me. You guys are breaking the law right now.
Do you have anything?
Get off
on
of me.
you? Do you have anything?
Sir,
on you?
please.
If you're putting her in the
Sir,
car,
please.
if we're going to place her under arrest, go ahead and tell her what she's being arrested for.
Okay. So
What am I being arrested for?
You've been arrested for resisting.
I'm not resisting anything.
You resisted because you did not.
I am
identify
not
yourself.
resisting anything.
And you're-
That is not. Sir.
Yes, it,
Sir, please.
I understand that you don't recognize the local laws and the state laws. You have a different
I
belief
did not
system.
refuse anything.
Hold on
I
a
told them
second.
where it was. And I told them that I would get it.
But
you're not allowed to get it. I told you I would get it for you.
you didn't.
Still-
If you aren't providing your name and identification, if you
gave them my name.
if you're resisting the officers,
I'm not resisting anything.
if they're trying to get,
I asked
they're
them if I
trying
could talk to my daughter.
They're trying to identify who you are, and you aren't providing your name and
I
your
gave them
information.
my name.
But that name wasn't coming up.
What do you
And
mean
then
that
you
name is
weren't,
not coming
and then
up?
you weren't giving them anything that they could use to identify you. You're also driving in a vehicle, or you're traveling in a vehicle that doesn't have a license plate on, so that's why they stopped you.
I understand that.
Okay, so based
There
on
was one on there. I literally bought that from the
So-
dealership not even a month ago.
So based on you not cooperating and providing the officers the information they needed, that's a form of passive resistance,
It is not.
and they're placing you in
Sir, it's
arrest
not.
as a result of that. That's
Sir, it's not.
That's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
going
your
on right
terms.
now.
By your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not
All
resisted
right.
anything.
so she needs to get to school. She goes to Dr. Phillips
Okay.
right over here. Ma'am, do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay, so do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there?
Alani. Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Alani, can you please call Chris? Is he not answering?
Ma'am,
Okay, how you get your daughter to school? Because this is why I separated you. Because you're trying to do stuff through your daughter, which you're not allowing. How are you going to get your daughter to
Who
school?
are you, my maker? Like, who are you to not allow?
Okay, go ahead and get in.
Am I gonna walk her over there, or is she gonna walk by herself? What do you want to do?
I don't really think she's...
Do you go to Dr. Phillips? Where do you go to school? Okay.
I don't mind walking her over.
Yeah, let's walk. We're gonna walk you over to school. Okay. We're not gonna walk you into the campus, but we're just gonna, so that way you're not embarrassed. We're gonna walk you up and just see you in.
I'll take her.
All right.
All right, ma'am. Look here.
Somebody's a guy.
Hey, Vinny, just let her know where her mom will be at. Okay. So she can tell the adult. All right. Go ahead and do whatever you're gonna do. If you want to just take her, we're gonna tow the car. We're gonna write her a ticket. Make sure you write your tickets for whatever the infractions are. Right, and it's
We told
basic.
her we're doing a citation. She's
There you
going.
go.
And then it's resisting without. And just be articulate in your report as to what you have. And
What
watch your
just happened
watch your
over
body
there?
camera footage. What happened while we were? Oh,
Yeah, what-
are we good? Seeing secure. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
these women right here are extremely aggressive. Did I hear you say that the cameras were on?
No, their cameras should have been on. I'm going to go watch their body camera footage and make sure that they handled you in a manner that was appropriate. And and
I have not resisted once.
And all I can go off of is what they explained to me. So if you resisted their efforts to identify you, if you didn't cooperate with them during the course of the stop, that constitutes resisting without violence, and that's the charge. Okay. It looks like the vehicle is registered, so it's not an unregistered vehicle. So it's just okay. Okay.
I told my girlfriend. She still continued to brought the other one.
Okay.
And the other one came. And did the same tactics of trying to harass and arrest and all of them.
Sorry, what's your first name?
Candace.
Candace, I assure you I'm going to watch the body camera footage.
Right
and
now.
if, well, they got it uploaded. So once it's uploaded, I will watch it today. And if I see that anything, I can't at this point. The officer has the authority to place you under arrest. I can't unarrest you if they are claiming that they have valid charges to arrest you, and from
so
what they're police officers, so they can make that determination. I'm just their supervisor.
How many police officers have been sued and their offices have been sued because they have made stupid decisions and not honoring others' rights?
Right, but that has to be determined. So I have to look and see if that was the case.
So you violate my rights in the meantime?
No, we're not violating your rights in the meantime. If that's the case, then you have the civil means to address that. So I'm not saying you feel the way you feel. I'm not trying to invalidate your feelings here, but I'm just telling you the rules that I have to abide by. So if an officer comes out, unless I witnessed it, then I can make that assumption and say, no, we're not going to make an arrest here. You're going to take her out of handcuffs. But I didn't witness it. This officer has the training. They're sworn.
Everything is null and void from the beginning because you guys don't even have the jurisdiction to stop me to begin with.
Right, and that's where you have the belief that we don't have the jurisdiction, and we are operating. This vehicle is being driven or operated in our municipality.
As I mentioned to her,
and that would have
registered.
It's still supposed to have a tag, regardless of what happened. And if that would have been explained, and if you provided them the information, the officer would have the discretion to say, okay, well, you know what? I believe your story. I'll give you a warning. I don't know what the interaction was because I got to watch the video to see. But if you were being hostile, you weren't cooperative, you weren't providing them the information that they were asking you for them to make that determination that the car is registered and that everything is just what it seems, the officer could have let you go with even a warning. But if you weren't being cooperative, if you weren't providing the officer the documents that they were requesting, you weren't given the opportunity to identify you. I'm just saying, because this is what they were telling you. You know what I'm saying? At that point,
the law states that I don't even need to provide unless a crime has been committed.
That's not true. Do you have a Florida driver's license or no?
I do.
Okay, so when you sign for a Florida driver's license, in part you agree.
And I already revoked it.
Right.
So as I told her, my other IDs in my car.
Right.
I'm sorry, in my trunk. She wanted to go into my trunk. I don't trust either one of them because of the way that they treated me. The second they walked up to my car. So I told them I will go and get it. And they didn't allow me to do that. They told me that I wasn't providing them information. I refused to give them my name. And I said, I just gave you my name.
Now at that point, if they had detained you or placed you in protective custody, if you were and they didn't allow you to do that, that's a different story. Like they're not going to let you go into your car if they detained you or whatever already.
I was sitting in my front seat. They did not detain me at that point. Right. And then she looked at her and she said, "Oh, you need to do it?" And she said, "Yeah, let's do it." And then they ripped me out of my car.
And that may have been based on what they were getting from you or their determination of whether or not you were resisting their efforts. And that's where I have to watch the video. And if there was any violation of our policies or state law, we'll address it. You also have rights. So if that were the case, you'll be able to deal with that. But at this point, we can't address that matter. Okay, so I can't sit and watch.
We need to be addressing that matter.
But it's because the decision has already been made. So we have to follow the course that.
So I'm being arrested. Is what
yes,
you're
ma'am.
saying.
You're being arrested. You're going to be charged with resisting without violence, and you're going to be issued a citation for driving a vehicle with no tag displayed. And I think it's a $114 ticket. So the officer is going to do that. The vehicle is going to be towed.
You're seriously going to allow them to arrest me for this? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's the opportunity. That's what they have the ability to do, and they're within the law to be able to do that. Okay.
Just because you have nothing else better to do.
Okay.
You don't understand you don't understand what liability that you are.
So we're going to go ahead and get
Sure.
going because the longer we keep you here, the longer. This is something that you'll probably be able to get through, processed, and be out within a reasonable amount of time, or within 6 to 8 hours. So the sooner we get you down and get you processed, the sooner you can get out. So I'm not going to hold you here any longer. I'm going to let the officers go ahead and finish up here so we can get you down and get you processed, okay? All right.
Good.
Yep. Seems clear.
I have 1 Whiskey Foxtrot 1015 51 BRC, starting 32861.
The stop is legally clean. Florida Statute 316-605 requires every vehicle to display a valid tag. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, a facially observable traffic violation is more than enough to justify an investigatory stop. Florida Statute 322.03 requires a driver to carry their license in their immediate possession while driving, and to display it on demand. A license in the trunk does not satisfy the word immediate. That statutory gap is the legal pivot of this entire encounter. Under Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 542 U.S. 177, identification must be sufficient for officers to confirm identity through available databases. A first name returning no results does not meet that threshold. Refusing to provide a last name is where the legal exposure begins. The sovereign citizen arguments, traveling versus driving, no commercial activity, no jurisdiction, have a perfect loss record in American courts. The Seventh Circuit held in United States v. Benabe, 654 F. 3rd 753, that these theories should be rejected summarily, however they are presented. The internal contradiction. Candace confirmed she holds a valid Florida driver's license. Accepting that license means accepting Florida Statute 322.03, including the obligation to present it on demand. Invoking sovereign citizen theory while holding a state-issued license does not create a defense. It eliminates one. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, officers may order a driver to exit during a lawful traffic stop without additional justification. Sustained refusal authorizes reasonable force. The exit order was lawful, and the removal that followed was legally predicated on that sustained refusal. The window entry is the most legally exposed act in this footage. An officer reached inside the vehicle to unlock it. Under Arizona v. Gant, 556 U.S. 332, unauthorized vehicle intrusion is tightly constrained. Whether this falls within the Mimms control framework or constitutes unlawful entry is exactly what a Section 1983 claim would challenge. At approximately 9 minutes, Candace disclosed her pregnancy. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, the reasonableness of force must account for known vulnerabilities. Pregnancy is a known vulnerability, and officers who proceed with physical force after that disclosure carry heightened civil liability, regardless of whether the arrest itself is legally valid. The resisting without violence charge falls under Florida Statute 843.02. Florida's 3rd District Court of Appeal, held in DGV State, 661, so 2nd 75, that passive noncompliance during a lawful stop qualifies as obstruction. The stop was lawful. The charge holds. Officers receive a B-. The stop was legally grounded. De-escalation lasted 20 minutes before physical intervention, and the juvenile passenger was handled correctly. The grade drops for the window entry, which creates the most significant constitutional exposure in the footage, and for allowing a complex sovereign citizen stop to run 20 minutes without supervisory involvement. Candace receives a C. She stayed nonviolent, requested a supervisor at the right moment, and disclosed her pregnancy. But her legal framework had zero support in Florida law. She failed to satisfy Florida Statute 322.03, and her choices directly converted a $114 ticket into a misdemeanor arrest. The supervisor receives a B+. He identified the sovereign citizen dynamic immediately, accurately explained Florida law, committed to body camera review, and correctly declined to reverse an arrest he did not witness. The deduction: 20 minutes is too long for a legally complex stop to run without oversight. Every stop like this one leaves behind lessons that go beyond the charge sheet. Whether you are behind the wheel, behind the badge, or just watching, these 5 takeaways are worth holding on to. First, in Florida, your license must be in your immediate possession when you drive. Florida Statute 322.03 does not accept a license in the trunk. If you cannot produce it on the spot, you are already legally exposed before you say a single word. Second, sovereign citizen theory has a perfect loss record in American courts. It does not create rights. It signals non-compliance, escalates officer posture, and stacks obstruction exposure on top of the original stop. It reliably makes situations worse, not better. Third, holding a state driver's license means you have already agreed to the statutory framework that comes with it. Arguing you are exempt from state vehicle law while carrying that license is a contradiction no American court has ever accepted. Fourth, if you are pregnant and being physically detained, say so clearly and on camera. It creates a documented record directly relevant to the force analysis under Graham v. Connor, and it is material evidence in any subsequent civil rights claim under Section 1983. Fifth, for officers, the window entry is the lesson. A constitutionally clean stop can generate serious civil liability from a single unsupported vehicle intrusion. Document the legal basis for every physical act. The arrest may hold while the entry becomes the basis of a successful lawsuit. If this analysis helped clarify what the law actually says here, subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns of police body camera footage. We cover the law, the tactics, and the constitutional questions that matter. Leave your questions in the comments, and we will see you next time.